Hey everyone, welcome back to Meditex. If you are trying to add a card to Apple Wallet on your iPhone, set up Apple Pay, or you are keep getting errors like card not supported or Apple Pay not available, this video is for you. This video is based on my most viewed Apple Wallet shorts and hundreds of real comments. So I'll explain everything clearly, step by step, using only official Apple settings. No tricks, no third-party apps. First, a very important thing many people confuse. Apple Wallet is the app where you store cards. Apple Pay is the payment service that lets you pay using those cards. Adding a card to Apple Wallet doesn't automatically mean Apple Pay will work. Apple Pay depends on your country, bank, Apple ID, and verification. Let's start with the correct way to add a card. Open the Wallet app, tap the plus button, choose debit or credit card, and follow the steps. You can scan your card or enter the details manually. Then Apple will ask for verification, usually by SMS, bank app, or phone call. If you don't see the plus button or it only says learn more, I'll explain why later, so keep watching. Once the card is added, Apple Pay only works if your bank supported Apple Pay, your country supports Apple Pay, your Apple ID region matches your location, verification is completed successfully. If any of these fail, Apple Pay may appear but won't work, or it won't appear at all. To actually use Apple Pay, you need to enable the side button shortcut. Go to Settings, Wallet and Apple Pay, turn on double-click side button. This lets you quickly access Apple Pay when you're playing in stores. Now let's talk about the most common problems I see in your comments. Number 1. Card not supported. This usually means your bank doesn't support Apple Pay, even if the card works online. Number 2. Apple Pay not available. This is often a region issue. Apple Pay is not available in every country. Number 3. Verification failed. This can happen if your phone number is outdated, the bank blocks verification, your Apple ID information doesn't match your bank records. And number 4, wallet is missing or grayed out. This can be caused by restrictions, screen time settings, incorrect Apple ID region. This part is very important. Apple Pay is not global. Even if you have an iPhone, Apple Pay only works in supported countries and with supported banks. Always check Apple's official Apple Pay availability page for your country and bank. If Apple Pay is not supported where you live, there is no official way to force it, and I don't recommend trying. I also see many comments about gift cards and PayPal. Apple gift cards are for the App Store, not Apple Pay in stores. PayPal may work for online purchases, but not always for Apple Pay in store payments. These are separate systems, and mixing them often causes confusion. If you remove a card from Apple Wallet, it doesn't cancel your bank account. You can usually add it again later. Your bank may require re-verification. Removing a card is safe, but always make sure you can re-verify it. If Apple Pay still doesn't work, quickly check this. Is Apple Pay supported in your country? Does your bank support Apple Pay? Is your Apple ID region correct? Is verification completed? Is double-click enabled? Most problems come from one of these. I hope this video cleared things up for you. If Apple Pay worked after watching, let me know in the comments. And if you still have questions, drop them below. I read and reply. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple and clear iPhone guides. And I'll see you in the next video.